Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this smart band. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll down, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called display. Once you find it, tap on it, and here you should see the option called auto lock. Select it, and right here we have list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. For example, I'm gonna select 5 seconds, and then we can swipe right on the screen to go back, and now my screen should turn off automatically after 5 seconds of inactivity. So if I don't touch the screen for 5 seconds, it should turn off like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.